I told you guys about Nigeria that Nigeria is doomed. Nigeria is bound to fail. It's already a failed state, but we want to see it practically done. So you who is doubting the situation in Nigeria, so that you will see it crystal clear. That is why we keep making videos. We are not looking for money online. If you are looking for money, I am not. We are here to state the obvious very clearly. Imagine what your Senate, led by Apkabio, the criminal, the corrupt man who will always steal money from taxpayers. He refused to, sign on the mandatory transmission of results after election, making it very untransparent. They don't want to give an account. They don't want to be transparent. And they claim that they are practicing democracy. The people are yelling. And this is exactly what has to be done. After election, the collection officers, before the people, they should transmit the result instantly. But they have already rigged the election. As you can see, 2027 is done. They put in the INEC chairman. They have installed all the judges. Judiciary is already pocketed. All those old men, old fools, old criminals, with their cohorts, the Senate, which is the gang of terrorists who are supposed to save the people, they are the one who is mortgaging the life of future of Nigerians. And when we say it, people that are low in mentality, they wouldn't understand it. They will go tribal and they will go religious. We are not here to preach religion or ethnicity. We are here to state the obvious. When election is done, the result should be transmitted immediately. That is, everybody will be seeing it. If you go to online, you see it instantly. It is not something you have to wait, get approval from the man who is on top, who is sick, who is old, to, okay, when are they going to announce? Before the result is already written, they have written the results, then they will take their time to deceive the people, tell the people that there is a glitch. That's what they want to do. And for them not to accept transmitting the result instantly shows that they are not transparent. The Senate don't even want to sign. They rejected signing it. That shows you that they have already rigged the election against the masses. And where are those idiots that will come and tell me about new Nigeria? Where are those people that will come and tell me about unity of Nigeria? Where are those idiots that wouldn't reason with their head? They want to think because your man or your friend is ruling, you think all is well. But when things go bizarre, the prices of commodity in the market, it affects everybody. You understand? You know why I'm doing this? I'm not there with you guys. Neither my family is there. No, I'm doing it to help you guys to spread the news so that if you guys, the useless youths who are waiting for 10,000 naira, 5,000 naira to be given to you for you to be stupid, to go and steal the ballot box for the cultists, the leaders, all the governors, all the senators, all the House of Reps, and inclusive the president and the vice, and their family, their wives and their children. They are waiting for you to give you 5,000, 20,000, so that you go and kill yourself and carry the ballot box and debase yourself. That is, put yourself down and go and bring the ballot box to continue their thread in stealing, looting, and seizing the taxpayers' money. That's what you want to do. Everybody is shouting APC. APC is a demon brought upon you, and you don't see it. All you are shouting is APC. It's up to you guys. If the youths do not want to move forward by bringing these guys down, go to the streets. Do anything you can do to make sure that this mandatory transmission of result is upheld. uphold. It has to be. It's a must. If you youth do not do that, the election is over, because the INEC chairman is already bribed. The judiciary, they're going to approve the results. They are already bribed. Who do you have? The army is against you. The police is against you. Even though you have a useless police, stupid army, stupid DSS, stupid EFCC, who will never see the truth and follow the truth. All they want to go is against the masses themselves. When the prices of commodities skyrockets, Tinubu family will not feel it. Apkabio family will not see it. Wike family will not even smell it. All the governors, they will not. It's you, only you. I mean the useless youth, the lazy youth, who will keep talking. But the mandatory transmission of result of election is what you people should start now. Go to the street now. Don't wait the middle of this year. Go to the street and contest it. Make sure that you guys reverse it. And during the election, you make sure that the election is counted and transmitted immediately. That was how they cheated Obi during 2023. Obi won the election, and they have said it. Even the people that rigged it came out and said that they rigged it, that Obi won. What are you going to do? Useless country that will never succeed. Nigeria will not succeed. Read my lips. Read it. If Tinubu enter the second tenure, you people are doomed completely. You get the point. I will make more video about this. But for now, I think I am okay with this. The mandatory, transmission of results must uphold. Otherwise, you guys are gone and gone for life. Apkabio is useless. I keep saying it. From day one they enter, I told you that that man is a useless man. And it's the problem of Nigeria. It's the problem of the youth. It's against the youth. It's against the masses of Nigeria. And if you don't, as a matter of fact, even though they do it transmission, even though they transmit the results, Nigeria will not survive. The electoral reform can never uphold. They know the system. We also know the system, but just because they are there right now and there's nothing you can do. How many of you that can challenge them? How much do you have to challenge them? The useless youths on the street, we are ready to collect even 1,000 naira to do their bidding. So sometimes it is not even good to talk. Let them kill themselves. Let them die. Let everybody go down. It's their problem. It's not my problem. I'm not even interested. But just to let you guys know, if you want to move, I wanted you guys to succeed. I wanted a good country, but I see that the country never want to be. What do you want me to preach? To continue to waste my time? I cannot waste my time upon criminals, evil men. I wouldn't waste my time. I'd rather use my time to do something very valuable and important than to put my head for this type of useless, unproductive country. Nigeria is very unproductive. I stop here.